Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Datafold for automated data lineage in Snowflake, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Snowflake account. Once logged in, navigate to the Snowflake dashboard. Locate the database schema you intend to integrate with Datafold. Make note of the necessary credentials, including your account name, username, and password. Next, open a new tab and go to the Datafold website. Create an account if you don't already have one. If you have an account, enter your credentials and log in. After logging in, access the Integrations tab in the Datafold dashboard. Click on Add Integration and select Snowflake from the list of available options. You will be prompted to provide your Snowflake account credentials. Enter your Snowflake account name, username, and password accordingly. Specify the role that Datafold will use when accessing your Snowflake data. Once you have filled in the required fields, click on Test Connection to ensure Datafold can connect. If the connection is successful, proceed to save your integration settings. After saving, navigate to the Data Lineage section within Datafold. Here, you will set up the automated data lineage feature. Select the sources you want to track for lineage information. Ensure you configure the appropriate datasets within your Snowflake account. Once your sources are selected, click on Enable Lineage Tracking. You may need to set additional parameters for specific data workflow. Check if any additional configurations are required based on your organization's data security policies. With your settings configured, head back to the dashboard to visualize the data lineage. The data lineage should now reflect the relationships and flows between your Snowflake datasets. You can further explore and analyze the lineage insights provided by Datafold. Monitor your data lineage setup regularly for any changes or required adjustments. This will help maintain a comprehensive overview of your data flows and dependencies. Review the documentation provided by Datafold for advanced features and troubleshooting. With these configurations complete, you have successfully set up automated data lineage in Snowflake using Datafold. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.